You may have just watched our after soundproofing video, so now let me show you how we did it. So up here we have a camera which was filming the client's property, okay? And Simon, if you follow me outside, we've got a light up there. As you walk out of the client's property, you can see we've got Tom, he's holding another camera here, and he's got the decibel meter which he passed to me, okay? And then we're going back into the neighbour's tea, and you can see that we've got another camera. We've got another camera set up here. Okay, just showed me going into the client's neighbour's property. As we come through, you can see you've got the sound testing equipment set up. And if you look up there, Simon, we've got another camera which was filming this room. We've got some laptop, and you can see this massive speaker which we were playing that music out of. We've raised it off the floor so the sound didn't go into the structure as much to give a fair test. Okay, so that's how we did it. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our YouTube channel or visit the website quietco.uk.